Hello and welcome to Web Learning, where knowledge is shared. In this video I'm doing another what did I get. So let's see what did I get and what I'm going to use it for. First package. These are USB to USB-C connectors. I got a different mobile phone that is using USB-C, and I was looking for different type of connectors like the lavalier that I'm using. With the old phone I was using micro USB. This one is USB-C, so I got two of them. With the USB-C, one of the things you can do is also power the phone, so charge the phone at the same time while using it. So I got two types of connectors. I got this one. So this one has a USB-C output, two connections for USB-C. This one is a micro USB, so it's not a USB-C, to charge the mobile phone. I thought it was a USB-C type charger, but it's not. So this one is a micro USB. So the way it works is that you slide in the USB-C. Now you can put, for example, a keyboard and a mouse, or a lavalier USB or two lavaliers receivers, and at the same time connect a micro USB like this one, and this will charge the phone. Okay, so this is how it works. So at the same time you can charge it and you can use the device. This one is the same. It's a pity again they're not using USB-C. So this is a regular micro USB. This one has three USB type connector, so you can hook up to 3 devices. So this is actually a USB-C hub, and this one has a little feature that you can either put it as a charge or an OTG. So you can connect 1, 2, 3 USBs while charging the phone, or you can switch it to here, and then this one will be another output of a USB. So it's kind of a either 3 or 4 port USB. Again, great thing. It's just a pity that this is not a USB-C connector, as if I'm using USB-C, then I don't like to start carrying other type of USB, and I prefer to have everything is the same. But again, it's a cool little thing to use. Okay, on to the next package. These are a bunch of resistors, different sizes. I needed this for my mini lathe, if you remember the different potentiometers, and I needed to have some different sizes to compensate on the potentiometer of the high and low. So this is a set of 10 with many different values. I have a box of surface mount resistors. These are all the resistors and these are all capacitors. This is what usually I use and what I do. You just open them and I have all the different types. I also added labels. I also have this sample book. Again, these are all resistors. These are not capacitors. But now it's easier for me to use this box. But sometimes I just need these type of resistors to solder for cables and other stuff. So this is much quicker and easier. On to the next package. If you're following me also on Instagram or Facebook, you've seen that I've built with my 3D printer a bungee strap for my diving watch. So when I go diving, instead of having strap for a watch, I just built a 3D printer that changed the strap, and I just hook it up and I pull. This is another cord. It's not a bungee cord, but it's a regular cord just to fasten the bungee strap. If it falls off or if something breaks, the diving watch will still be on my hand without falling off completely. So you can head over to my Instagram account and have a look at what I did. Another package. This is a front view mirror holder. There are many things that usually connect to your front windshield, and sometimes they block your view. I also have in my car those video cameras that record the whole time when I'm driving. You've seen more and more probably videos on the internet, and this is really important, especially if a cop pulls you over and tells you that you didn't stop a red sign or you did something. It's always good to show what you did and where you've been and what rules you didn't break. The problem is that all those suction cups usually fall off, and the ones that you do get are really expensive, and they still block your view. So the way this works, your rear view mirror has a short arm. This thing connects to the arm, and then you can put whatever you want connected to it. So if you want to have your mobile phone or your camera or anything else, it connects, and you already have a good holding connection for the rear view mirror. So this saves you a lot of space. It doesn't interfere with your view. So this is a really neat thing. It doesn't cost much. It's quite easy also to connect. You just open this completely. See, it's quite long. You take it out. This is another rubber. It all depends on the size of the arm of your rear view mirror, and then you can just hook everything on top, close it down just like that, and you lock it, and then you connect your camera or whatever you have. So it's really nice. You just bolt everything down, and it's quite nice and easy. The last package for today. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Okay, so this is a line finder. So it needs two 9-volt batteries. Okay, so I added the batteries. Now let's turn this on. So this probably goes to the network connection. Okay, so you plug this to the network, or you have scan connection. This is probably it. Then you have tone, so probably you connect phone, and continuity. Yeah. So if I short the two leads, you see they work. It doesn't buzz or it doesn't make any noise. So to test the continuity, you just put it in scan, and then you scan, and then if you're close to one of the cables, you can see that now it's connected to the red, and if I scan it, you see it makes a different sound. You can increase or decrease the volume. And you can see with the black, it doesn't make a lot of sound, but with the red one it does makes much more sound on the cable. So you can find out that it is working. If I'll connect both of them together, the black and the red, now you can see there's a huge difference between, and you can see that this is the actual cable. There is also a little LED there is a little LED here. So if you don't have a lot of light, this could be useful. Okay, and for network connection, you also have in the scan an RJ45 here and here. So at the beginning you search for the cable, you click on scan, and you know which cable it is. Okay, and then you switch to network, and then you can hook up, this could be a long cable from one end to the other, and when you connect, you see that it checks each pin, and you can see all the pins are connected to connected correctly. Okay, and if you put it in scan, all of them light on, so all the connections are fine. You have another small audio jack here that you can use to put headphones if you want. You don't want to bother other people with this loud noise. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification so you'll get the notification when I upload new videos. Thank you.